Hi everyone, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to maximize your Father's Day sales while protecting your profit. Father's Day brings high sales volume, a great opportunity for merchants also. But watch out, unlimited discounts can lead to lost profits. Let's dive deeper into why uncapped discounts can be problematic for your business. Percentage discounts grow with size cut, meaning larger purchase will get a larger discount. Merchants risk giving away too much money, impacting their bottom line. The simple solution is to add a discount cap. For example, offer 35% off up to a maximum of $150. Cap discounts give you precise control over promotions, especially on larger orders. This helps protect your profit margins, ensuring you don't over discount. So, if you want to set up a cap discount like this in your Shopify store, watch this video completely without skipping. Before going to the video, please make sure that you have subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips because more seasonal tips are on the way. For setting up a gap discount in Shopify, I'm using Mix Discount app, which is available in the Shopify App Store. If you need, I have also attached the link to this app in the description box. You can check it out and follow along. After installing it, open the app from the Shopify admin panel and click on Create New Discount. Now you can choose the discount code as your discount type and if add for any discount code. Now I'm adding 30% off as my code here. Now I'm planning to add a percentage of 30 with a cap amount of $100. So this capping amount will make sure that our discount amount will never go beyond $100. Even if the 40% or 30% of our cart value is higher than 100 amount, this cap amount will make sure that the discount amount will never exceed beyond $100. By using this discount cap, whenever we are running a large percentage based offers, it's a smarter way to stay generous without giving too much. And I can also apply the discount to all the products or a specific collection or a specific products. Now I'm adding it for all the products. If you have any minimum purchase requirement, you can set it over here. I'm not adding any minimum purchase requirement. And in case of customer eligibility, you can set it for all the customers or a customer having some tag or only on first order customers like that. And I can also limit the number of time the discount can be used in total. If I'm giving 100 here means the discount will be available for 100 first users. And I can also limit the usage of this code per customer only one time. Now you can set some active dates here through which this discount is active. Like you can set some start date or a start time, end date or a end time. Like if you are planning to run this offer of this Father's Day sale through the 10 days or 1 week or a month of the Father Day, then those timings you can set it over here in this active dates. And you can also combine this code with the existing discounts like product discount, order discount, or a shipping discount. Now you can save the changes. Now let's check whether the code has been activated from the discount section. Now you can see that the 30% off has been activated successfully. Now let's test this setup in our online store. So I'm trying to buy a product of worth 234. I'm trying to add this to the cart. Let's apply our code here. Now you can see that the 234, the cart value, we have applied 30% off and this customer will be getting a $70 as the discount amount, which is the 30% of the cart value. So this will be a 30% of the cart value as desired. Now let's test with some other products having a higher price. Now let's try to add this product to the cart. Applying the code here. Now you can see that the 30% of the 5,000 is greater than $100. Since we have capped our discount amount at $100, this cap amount will never go beyond, the offer amount will never go beyond $100 because our cap amount will make sure that the maximum amount this customer will be getting as a offer price is $100 only. So that's how you set up a 30% off with a capped amount of $100 in your Shopify store on your Father Day sale. So while you're waiting for, just grab the link from the description box and try this out in your online store. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Also, please do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.